Nkatha ya munini wa RAIS Pastor Dorcas Rigathi ni akinyite mamburene jamaromba ntere chia Tigania West kanisene ya THAU Methodist ni aria atumiritie ndene ya kanise una kinya gutara ntumikarire miega ni ariritie ndwaire thirikari iritaniritie kwithurikirwana nayo ni ombogita kenda kuonokia mugomgo mukiri wa mithika na chonkuruki.
Nkatha munini wa RAIS Pastor Dorcas Rigathi na watenerete na Kristo bakanise Methodist THAU ire wondine kinje Tigania West na araukari mutumiri Ntuku na inyelio batu bomwe kurukiri ukiria na kulwamia muchie.
Our work is to help that man. Our work is to support that man, to be able to succeed, be able to become the leader God called him, be able to become the head God made him, so that at the end of the day, he'll be able to amass wealth that you'll be able to leave to your children and your children's children. If today, any woman was to stand and desire to destroy the man, it is very easy. It is also very easy for the woman to build and make a good man.
Meario yawe ni watimbaru ni atongeria bangi baraba ukari kiongwane neke baraba olonterete atiari barume kiara nontubo kumama ngwene tiao chioreri ontubwitete na mbere ochokia mwano muthakana nyuma
nchobige kuthira rulijo kurwana thinira kana akaije keneo ikuleta maendeleo Kimero kiuga bamami kalieni ana benu na kirira anto arume kalieni ana benu na nkwagaya madam sisi wa Meru wase tumeanguka including Reverend Kovia including Bishop Mwiti sisi tumeanguka kabisa kwa sababu sisi tumekuwa mfano sio mzuri sana kwa vijana wetu ndio kwa sababu tumerudi nyuma kwa hivyo tukiona wase wakiimba hapa hiyo ni kitu ambayo tungeanza kitambo. It took up one person, Dorcas, to champion the boy child in this country. Na tuko na wasee hapa. Wasee my friend, muzituangushe.
Turombereana beto, mantu jan chobi, I know Pastor Dorcas and His Excellency, the Deputy President, this war must be won. With the assistance of the CS Interior, Kidhura Kendeke, who is also fighting the same war. Na baabwe bwentore na narea ibaabwe bwate theria ndo aishionde nikenda twinde toreamo twinde tomba go succeed.
We were almost losing a generation, but now I'm confident that with God there's nothing that is impossible, and I'm sure that these boys and even the girls, we are talking of the boys because of the way God made them the heads of the homes, and if the head is not proper, then the whole chain is not good. But now the girls also, there is a lot of teenage pregnancy. I really don't know the reason, but I'm putting it in there because of the cost of living. Girls like to be beautiful, and they end up getting married for just a few shillings, just to make themselves look the way they wish to look.
Na nontubo etomikena aliongirete nthakati ya wira iritaniritie bunene utetheria wikwa muranjarene cia nchobi na ndawa ingi cia mbogita kiritwo kia St. Nicholas na arawite baina mubango yo utetheria barabonde bamwite usenchia.
Mimi nawapenda vile tu mulivyo. Na ijalishi ninataka mufike mahali kiwango tutaanza ile mambo ya training sasa. Ya skills. Na tukitrain watu wahitimu, tumepata mtu ambaye anawatrain na akona vile atachukua hizi mnachukua mtihani ya NITA. Ndio mukitoka even wale wako na experience mtaenda tu huko kwa hizo TVET yetu ambaye itawapatia cheti ile ina recognize prior learning. Yule alikuwa ni mechanic amefunzwa na baba yake atapatiwa cheti kulingana na testing na kuona kama utapata certificate, diploma ndio musaire mutatoka hata ukienda mahali uko na cheti chako unaonyeshana.
Nkiripotera Weru TV kuma Tiania, Mbita wa Mukiri wa Mithika.